Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've got old denim lying around, whether it's a pair of jeans, jackets or skirts, today's video is going to show you how to repurpose those worn out clothes into something fresh and fabulous. We are diving into some creative ways to turn your old denim into new treasures. So grab your scissors, soy kit, and a bit of inspiration as we transform your old denim into something new. Let's kick things off with the project that is perfect for plant lovers: denim planters. Old denim jeans can be used to transform into stylish, rustic-looking planters for your favorite plants. All you need is a pair of jeans, some scissors, and a bit of soy. Simply cut the legs off, shape the remaining denim into a pouch, and add a sturdy liner if necessary. You can even upcycle the denim pockets and use them to hold smaller plants. Denim planters bring a cool country vibe to any home or garden. Next up, let's talk about the classic denim tote bag. This is a super simple and practical project that is also great for beginners. If you got a pair of old jeans or a denim skirt, you can use the fabric to make a stylish bag. Cut off the legs, sew the sides together, and attach handles. Voila! You got yourself a trendy new tote bag. You can even add extra pockets for storage or embellish the bag with some fun patches or embroidery to give it a personalized touch. Now, let's get a bit crafty. Denim coasters are a fantastic way to repurpose old denim while adding a little rustic charm to your home. Cut the denim into small squares or circles, then layer them to give the coasters some extra durability. You can sew or glue the layers together and even add fabric paint, embellishments or stitch designs to make them unique. Not only are these coasters practical, but they also add a touch of denim play to your coffee table. If you want to add some cozy denim style to your home, consider turning old denim jeans into pillow covers. Denim is durable and soft, making it a great fabric for cushions. Simply cut the fabric into squares or rectangles, sew the pieces together, and stuff with pillow inserts. You can mix and match different shades of denim, or even use the back pockets as decorative features. These denim pillows will look amazing on your couch or bed. For those who love cooking or crafting, why not repurpose old denim into a sturdy apron? Denim is a heavy duty, making it perfect for a long-lasting practical apron. Take an old pair of jeans or a denim skirt, cut them into an apron and sew the edges for a neat finish. Add pockets to store your utensils, phone, or even gardening tools if you're more of an outdoor DIYer. Denim aprons are not only practical, but they give off a cool retro vibe that will make you feel like a pro chef or craft master. And for the ultimate upcycle, why not make a quilt out of your old denim? Denim quilts are cozy, durable, and totally customizable. Simply cut your denim into squares, rectangles, or whatever shapes you prefer, and sew them together to create a stunning quilt. So there you have it. 6 ways to repurpose old denim into new stylish items that are perfect for your home, wardrobe, or as gifts. I hope these ideas inspire you to start your next denim DIY project. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy decorating.